This is exactly how I was able to fix my microphone not working in Escape the Backrooms. So what I had to do firstly is to actually close the Escape the Backrooms game here, as you can see, and instead we're going to go into system settings here on our computer. So go into your settings here, and then in here where you can actually search, just search like this: change system sounds. So you can see change system sounds. That is exactly where we need to click. So just click here and then you should be able to see this right here. I'm just going to make sure to focus on it as well so you can actually see exactly what I'm doing here. So perfect. Now on this page right here, click on recording here, as you can see, and make sure to have your correct microphone available here. So this is the one that I use right now at least. And if you can click on set as default, just do that as well. It's very important. But what you also need to do is to click on that microphone that is actually the one that you want to be able to use and make it as your default microphone. You need to also make sure to click on levels right here. So on levels, make sure that this one is not turned down way too low. So have it, yeah, I would recommend to have it over 50 at least, in my opinion. And then just click on, if you can click on apply here, do so as well, by the way, or just click on OK. And then OK once again. And now you can go back into the game and try once again. This is exactly how I was able to fix it.